Welcome to today's class. Let's look at this sentence. Only ta'if can do the sum. The answer is none but ta'if can do the sum. What kind of activity have you observed? We are looking at the transformation of affirmative sentences to negative sentences. Our lesson today is on transforming affirmative sentences to negative ones, specifically focusing on part 1. By the end of this video, you will be able to change sentences containing only or alone and sentences that use the word must. Take a look at these examples. Only Allah can save us becomes none but Allah can save us. And only Ramim can get the first prize becomes none but Ramim can get the first prize. Here is rule number 1. If an affirmative sentence contains only or alone, use none but at the beginning of the sentence to make it negative. It is time for individual work. Look at these answers based on the rule we just learned. Let's examine these sentences. Only the moon shines brightly at night becomes nothing but the moon shines brightly at night. Rimon is only 10 years old becomes Rimon is not more than 10 years old. Here are more examples. He bought only 5 kilograms rice becomes he bought not less than 5 kilograms rice, and I have only 3 novels becomes I have not more than 3 novels. Rule 2. If only refers to an object, use nothing but. If it refers to a number or age, use not more than or not less than. Now for some pair work. Review these answers on the screen and compare them with your own. Next, look at these. You must obey your teachers can become you cannot but obey your teachers, or you cannot help obeying your teachers. Similarly, they have to do the tasks becomes they cannot but do the tasks, and Sifat had to leave the place becomes Sifat could not but leave the place. Rule 3. If a sentence uses must, have to, has to, or had to, replace them with cannot but, could not but, or cannot help / could not help. Remember to add the suffix to the verb in the latter case. Let us continue to learn and write the structures as displayed on the screen. Please look at these answers, which demonstrate the transformations we have discussed, such as using cannot but or cannot help. Now it is time for an evaluation. Review these sentences and apply the rules to transform them. Here is your homework assignment. Practice these transformations to reinforce what you have learned today. Thank you for watching this video.